Hey, what's up guys? Got something a little different for you today. I'm gonna do a little creek fishing and just kind of some wading and exploring. Been watching a little bit of John from Creek Fishing Adventures, and he's inspired me to kind of get out and walk a little bit and just catch some smaller fish maybe, and maybe some bigger ones. I don't know. We'll kind of see what we get into, but just gonna kind of try to walk some different areas. And I got a ultralight, a swim bait, and yeah, a couple of other little things that I'll mention as we go. But should be fun. Gonna do a little exploring today and see what we can find. Here we go. How's it going? Doing pretty good. Alright, so I talked about how I was going super minimal today and just bringing a rod and some lures. Well, forgot my minimal tackle box at home. So this is all we got. We got one swim bait here with like a 1/8 ounce jig head. I really like these swim baits. I feel like they hold up better than the Kayak. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description or share what that is more later. I forget what they're called, but I feel like they hold up a little better. All right, looks like wow, big old fatty drop off cliff right here. That's not sketchy. The other day we night fished this and caught some good ones over in here, all through this area. Let's keep walking. Oh, looks like we might be able to get down right here. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Perfect. Perfect. Look at this. Man, my boys are gonna love this. I'm for sure taking them here tonight. Nice. Yeah, I was catching them in the dark. A couple weeks ago, a few weeks ago maybe, on a topwater actually, in a buzz bait. That swim bait looks good in the water though. There's one. Yeah. Ah. I try to go over here to these moving water sections. Might have to come back here again with actually my full setup of that mini tackle that I forgot at home. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Man, they're so fun fighting on this ultralight in the current. Nice spotted bass, little guy. Thanks for not ripping up my only swim bait I have. Yep, nice little spot. Cool, that was fun. He was just hanging out right at the edge of that current seam over there. Right in the current, looking to feed.
Oh yeah, there's one. Nice bass. Nice spot. Another nice little spot. So much fun. So much fun. See you later, bud. And this little swim bait. Thanks for not destroying it. I'm telling you, I think this swim bait just holds up so much better. I may have to go pick up some more of these before coming back out here. Maybe get a couple other colors. As I'm looking around, I'm seeing some of the bait fishing stuff. They don't necessarily have this like white bottom or even black top. They're a little bit more just kind of brown all the way through, more kind of natural color. So I may look for a little bit more of a natural color swim bait too. Try to match the hatch. That was cool. I saw that guy go after it. That was awesome. Ooh, just about ate it. All right, so I forgot my tackle. I only have this one swim bait. So I'm gonna go back, grab some food, maybe grab my tackle, and then for sure grab my tackle. And then I think I'm gonna come back. I'm either gonna come back now or come back later with my boys. So yeah, I'm gonna go make a little pit stop, get some food, grab some more tackle, try a couple other strategies out here, and then yeah, we'll try this again. All right, we're out here trying a different spot. Decided to switch it up and try a different little creek. So we'll see if we can do any damage over here. I got a topwater, added another pole. Topwater is just too much fun, so gonna give it a shot too. Oh yeah, there's one on the topwater. Feels pretty decent too. Yeah, this is a good fish. I don't want to play him too much. Man, he's fighting. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Nice smallie, dude. Really good fish. Heck yeah. Man, that was cool. He was just at the edge right there before that current picks up. I was wondering if I could get him on top water or not, and he took it. Thanks, buddy. Nice one. Sweet. Love it. Man, that would have felt like an absolute monster on my ultralight rod. Oh gosh. Just got bit again on that same spot. I mean, unless it was a rock, but just right at the top of this seam. It's crazy because it's so shallow right there And looking at it, you would think, oh, there's not a fish there, or it's so clear that you don't even see the fish, but man, they can camouflage in so well. So you never really know. So even though it may not look like there's a fish there, sometimes you got to give it a cast because they can just really blend in. Pretty sure I just had a little hit right there too. Yep, there he is that time. Nice. Another, oh good, a largemouth, spotted. Nice spot. Heck yeah, dude. Man, he was just under the mouth hooked. He's wanting to. Fun little creek fish. Thanks, bud. Caught him right in that area. Right there under the bridge where the water's moving. So the top water body has kind of been slowing down for me lately, but sometimes when this where the water's moving, where the fish are real active, you can still get them to strike right now. Oh, golly. Had one just smoke it right there in the middle. And I feel like I'd thrown that swim bait down there a few times and nothing, so I don't know, I may have to switch out that swim jig. Oh yeah, there's one. Saw him come back for it. Nice. It's a good one too. Hey, you're gonna rip your jaw. Nice. Yeah, he ate that right here at the bank, missed it, and came back for it again. Thanks, bud. On the buzz bait. Oh, another one just swallowed it. Oh, I got off. Dang. Couldn't even hardly feel that bite. He just kind of sucked it in. All right, it's grub time. There we go. If all else fails, float a grub down the current. There's a fish. Nice. Decent smallmouth too. On the grub. Ow! Holy. Okay, so first off, buddy, I'm getting rid of this. He's got the sharpest little teeth that I've ever felt on a smallmouth before. That literally, that hurt. I'm not even messing with him, dude. He's also got this nasty fungus looking stuff over there going on. All right. I don't know what that is. Man, his... There we go. It's crazy how well those things blend in. I can just barely see him right there. He's just hanging out in the current, waiting for his food to go by. There's a fish. Another smallie. So much fun. So much fun, man. Uh-oh, my scissors. All right, let's hope you don't have teeth. Another pretty little fish. There he goes. On the grub. Pretty easy fishing. Not too complicated. Just got a real light jig head, little Z-Man jig head, green pumpkin color, or green color, whatever. Zoom, watermelon, red flake, Fat Albert grub. Just casting it up in the current and letting it bounce back to me, reeling in the slack. Pretty simple. Oh, felt like another bite right there. Oh, that's a good one. That was a good bite. Yeah. Well, this grub's working. Yep, good smallmouth. Man, this is so much fun. Golly. Yeah, I gotta take my boys here. They will love this. Gosh, they just want to fight. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Beautiful smallmouth. Gosh. So much fun. So much fun on a little ultralight. There you go, bud. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, it's just not that complicated to get out and have some fun. You don't even have to have a kayak. Just, I got this little Shakespeare Micro Series pole, this little crappie ultralight pole, this luge reel that I got as a combo for like 25 bucks on Marketplace. Just look for stuff on Marketplace. It's just super cheap, man. Just 8-pound test. Just tie a grub on, cast it up in the current, have some fun. Can't beat it. There's one. Little guy. Yeah, my boys are gonna love this. I can't wait to take them here. There's gotta be one more in here willing to bite. There he is. I was gonna say. Another good creek smallie. Oh. I was gonna say, I knew there had to be, I'd be able to pull a fish out of there. Ooh. It was either a big bite or big rock. Oh, there's a smallmouth, just attacked it. Man, I knew there had to be something in there. What the heck? I got the grub in the hand right here. Might as well try to hit this stump again. Hit this tree in the water. There he is. Got him. Uh-oh, I got the back of his head. Come on. Gosh. He's got some real big teeth on him too. I don't know if you can see that, but he got some pretty big teeth. Or whatever those things are called, but golly, they're sharp. Well, that was fun. I saw him hit the buzz bait over in here. Couldn't get him to fully commit on it, so I'm like, try to drop this grub in there and Still didn't hook him good, but got him to the bank at least. There's one. Kind of a chunky little buddy. Golden. All right, that's gonna be it for today. Had a good few hours out on the water, just walking and waiting. Moral of the story for today, man, it's real simple just to get out, grab an ultralight pole, and grab a grub, and just go fishing and just catch some stuff. Have a good time, explore, try new waters, try new methods, but it's super simple and also a blast. So thanks for coming along today. We'll see you on the next one.